onions go like this. I'm using the rapeseed oil. A minute. The next ingredients for this will be shrimps. Get them in there, nice and easy. These been defrosted very well. At this stage we are focusing on keeping an eye on the shrimpies. They only need to really heat up. They already cooked, as you know. So all we need to do is just make it a little bit tastier. So I'm using a garlic and herb salt. Just a little bit of that there. Garlic and herb salt, slightly. Grinding that over. We are not putting at this stage a wee bit of salt. A wee bit of a dark soy sauce, just for a taste. And the next stage for this surely must be the vegetables. Let's go with the vegetables right now. Nice vegetables, including peas, carrots, some sweet corn, some beans, green beans. Now that is smelling already beautifully.
Yeah, I can smell that.
That's smelling absolutely amazing and looks absolutely gorgeous. And we can think about our pre-soaked in the hot water noodles. Yeah, all we need to do now, technically speaking, is just really drain them. So you can see here. So, like that. Okay. Nice. Just like that. Sorted. Okay. There, and put them right into shrimpies. Right. Look this all off. Come on, me. Right on. That's sorted. And all we need to do is just ensure that they are nicely distributedly placed. Nicely chopped. Lovely. Look at that now. Yeah. They heat it up slightly in the pan with a little bit of the help. All we have to do now is make sure we are use over here. Oh, slight imperfection in the cooking mechanism. Look at that, easily clean. So once we have this going very nicely, then our main objective is to add our sauce, which is going to be in our case a chow mein. The chow mein sauce, which we like and adore. And before we do that, now we can think about, okay, added that. Now we can think about a little bit of chili flakes, I guess, which again will be a garlic and chili salt.
Let's go.
Just a little. There and there. Lovely. And again, a bit of a mixing here, there. And now I think we have opportunity to add the sauce. So we add the sauce. Okay. Adding the sauce. Easy. That's it. And now all we need to do is make sure it gets nicely blended into the dish. And I would definitely say it's one of the easiest and tastiest seafood dishes for us. That is
Yep.
gonna satisfy everybody's taste, I guess. So here we go. That's it done. Thank you very much. All it took, guys, it's about 5.5 minutes. Thank you very much. Hope we'll see you next time.